Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa and today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. I will be doing a voiceover today because my microphone broke on me yet again, but I wanted to show you guys before we get into the tutorial about this beautiful jewelry line. They reached out to me. They are the brand called Ana Luisa. They reached out to me, wanted to send me a couple products. No, I'm not getting paid to talk about any of this. I genuinely love the products that they sent me. They sent me 3 different pieces of jewelry, and honestly, these are so beautiful. I have one of the earrings on right now that I'm showing you. I don't quite remember the name of it, but I will leave the names of the pieces down below. I absolutely love them. They're such high quality. They feel so heavy duty, but they don't feel really heavy on the skin and on my ears. You know how sometimes they kind of pull and the earrings just hurt because they're so heavy. These don't feel like that. All the pieces that I have are super lightweight, super high quality, and I've been using them for like a whole month. I've been moving, so they sent me this quite a bit ago, but I was just now able to tell you guys and put them on and honestly dress up. They dressed up my makeup look completely. They complimented my whole entire outfit. Today was a girls' night. All the girls were complimenting me on my jewelry. They loved it. My friends really love. I feel like a lot of girls really love beautiful jewelry that's dainty and just adds like a pop, and I feel like this jewelry line is it. I think they're such high quality, and what I love most about this jewelry line is that they are environmental friendly. Everything is made with recycled material, which is just so amazing and beautiful. They're very conscious of the environment and they just want to protect the world, you know, and I love that. So check out this brand, because I'm telling you that if you don't have a piece of jewelry from this brand, you are missing out. You are missing out. So I will leave the link down below. I'll leave all the info down below. And guess what? They sent me a coupon code, boo-boo. We love money off. Thank you very much. Make sure to check the link down below. I'm going to leave all the information that I missed out. And let's go on to the tutorial. I'm excited. This is the makeup look. Look at how gorgeous. We love fall makeup. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Kylie Lip Oil by Kylie Skin. And then we're going to go on to my eyebrows. I already filled them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade medium brown. And I am using the Morphe concealer to carve them out. I will be going in with the Makeup by Ariel brush sets. It's a collection that came out with Morphe. I'm going to be using those brushes today. And then for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Buxom eyeshadow palette by Ash K Home and an eyeshadow palette by Kylie Cosmetics, the 24K eyeshadow palette. I wanted to do a half cut crease, so I'm going in with the Morphe concealer and I'm applying that on my eyelid to do like a half cut crease so that when I put the gold glitter eyeshadow on the top of it, it's powerful, baby. To intensify my eyeshadow, I am spraying my brush with the Rare Beauty setting spray. With a Kylie liquid eyeliner, I will put all the shade names down below, but I'm using that to add more glitter on top of my eye. And then I'm going in with the black and the Buxom eyeshadow. Honestly, I didn't know what I was going for in this look, and then once I started doing it, to me it was like orangey and black, so it was like very fall vibes. And then at the end I went in with silver glitter, so I tried to do fall. But now I'm using the NARS Climax eyeliner. This is the first time that I use this eyeliner and I am in love with it. Honestly, it gave Kylie Cosmetics eyeliner a run for its money and it lasted all night. I am obsessed. I'm gonna go in with the Cosmetics Vitamin C Serum. They did send this to me. It had a weird smell to it. I think I just have to get used to it. And then they also sent me the Confidence in a Cream, which I had never used before. So I really loved these two products. And then to prime my face, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Matte Primer. And then we're going to go on to base, which is going to be the Power Fabric Giorgio Armani. Oh, I was about to say Luminous Silk, but it's not. It's the Power Fabric. I'm not sure if I'm in love with this foundation. I got it as a mistake because I was going to get the Luminous Silk foundation. And I got this one by accident instead. And I guess I just like waited too long to return it. And I just never returned it. And since I have it there, I'm going to use it. But I don't think it's my favorite foundation. And it was too light for the girl. Oh my God, I don't know what happened. But I bronzed it out. I don't know. I didn't love my makeup until the very end when I was feeling myself. But during the process of it, it's just crazy. So for concealer, I use Tarte Shape Tape. There's literally nothing new. What I do love, though, is this sponge. It's amazing. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Mocha to contour my face up. I love this. I haven't used it in such a long time, I feel. But I whipped it out today, and I'm obsessed. And I'm sorry for the airplanes. They really should be taking me with them, but... And then I'm blending it all out with the foundation brush by Makeup by Ariel. These are very weirdly made. They're very flimsy, but in a great way. When I mean like hair wise, they're not like compact with hair. Like they have movability. And I feel like after I used them, like I understood what the vision was when he made these brushes. I'm just not used to these kinds of brushes being so, I don't want to say flimsy, just like less hair. And then for under eye powder and just to set the face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, baking powder, nothing new. And then for bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion bronzer. They actually don't make this anymore, so I don't even know why I used it today. But I went in a little ham. Honestly, I don't really put makeup on all that much anymore. So I really kind of like feel like I was just putting on makeup. I only put makeup on like once or twice a month now because of the masks. So I went in with the Studio Fix powder just to perfect everything. And now I'm spraying the Morphe setting spray. I love spraying this spray just to make everything settle into my skin. And then for blush, I'm using, I believe the shade is Pinky Promise by a brand called Mented. They sent this to me and I'm super grateful. I love the shade. And then for highlight, of course, we're going to be busting out Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlight, because you know that when we do that highlight, we ain't playing no games, shawty. No games. And then for lip liner, I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill in the shade Chai Tea, but I have been a little bit upset because this right here, bam, is what happened both times that I've used this lip liner. And I'm not too happy. I am not too happy, honey. But I do like the shade and I like the formula, but hello, I don't like it when it breaks. It's like wasting half of the damn pencil. Anyway, after that, I'm going to be using a Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick. They did send it to me and I'm so grateful. Liquid lipsticks are just hard for me to wear in general because they're just so drying. This was comfortable, of course. I mean, I put a lip gloss on top of it, but it was good. I'm going to leave the shade down below because I can't remember it. And then I just blended it out with a brush. This lip gloss, though, from Lancome, this is in the shade Magic Spell. And honestly, it just gave me all the spooky Halloween vibes. If you don't have this lip gloss, you are literally missing out. It is amazing. So glittery. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. That is it, guys. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Calissa. Make sure you subscribe to your girl. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I love you. Bye.